Part 10, Objective of the Live Script and Your Objective. Your objective is to run a successful trading business following the systematic approach taught here and educate as many people as possible to do so using the provided information in an organized format. By creating a community of successful traders and generating significant commissions volume, you can achieve long-term success and build a base for your future. The live script and the knowledge presented in these training modules aim to equip you to run your trading business with the same level of success and professionalism as ours. Moreover, we seek to educate others on the benefits of adopting a systematic trading system. By following the script and adhering to the teachings precisely, you will swiftly build a community of successful and long-lasting traders who become professionals in their field, free from the fear of making costly mistakes. As a positive side effect of successfully knowing how to trade safely, you will also learn how to generate massive commissions revenue and trading volume, thus laying the foundation for the sustained growth of your trading business.